I am going to do LED backup lights on the F350. Here's a shameless plug for West Coast logging. Do you actually have the Gitsum to back it up? Got that when I was at OLC. That too. Anyhow, oh yeah, I picked that up from Tim McCoy. Somehow, I don't know how this is going to work, but somehow this air compressor is going to provide me air for the whistles on the Yarder project. Now, yes, I do realize that is a massive air compressor designed for commercial use, and no, I'm not ever going to use enough air on the Yarder project to warrant having a compressor that big, but hey, it was free, so can I say no to that? No, I can't say no to something free. So I took it happily. There they is, those rascally lights. Okay, so these are Nye lights. Oh yeah. Because anybody that has a pickup truck of this vintage knows the backup lights, yeah, they're pretty phony. Like, really phony. I'm pretty sure a Dory light with faded batteries, way more light output than what these babies got right here. So, not sure about the mounting place. Yeah, maybe somewhere right here, as Eric Bauer would say, right here. Yes. Okay, well, I'm going to somehow figure this out. So, I'm going to break away now, and then we'll get back to me doing more of an installation of the new LED backup lights. Okay, they're mounted up. Not exactly the way I was hoping, but yes. I'm gonna have to get the drill out, drill some holes in this bumper, and get this looking really skookum. So for now, I'm just gonna do a little bit of hokey pokey wiring just to see what the aim looks like on these things. So I'll show you that next. Well, what I'm going to do, son, is I'm going to show all these people that are watching this video what we had going on here. So there you go. This is the backup lights. The mounting before was kind of funky, yes. So my boy, Mr. Snuggles, helped me drill some new holes up under here. We ran the wiring. I had a pigtail up there from the wiring going to the trailer that I tapped into for doing this. So there you go. They're on. Now I'm going to have to adjust them because they kind of shoot, well, right out to here on my leg, but it's way way up there on the improvement scale compared to what I had.
Hey, Dad.
Yes.
I did some routing here with the drill.
I saw that. After he helped me drill the holes, he was routering the azalea bush. So, there you have it. Pick these up off of Amazon. They were, I don't know, 20 bucks or something like that. They were a Christmas present a couple years ago. So, we're done. What do you think, bud?
Good.
Yeah, we're good here. Oh, and I didn't show you all. We had the wrong gasket when we did the rear diff cover the other day, so we used black RTV silicone. It's holding up pretty good. So I'm guessing, I don't know, that was if the Dana 60 is the front, watch your head. It's a Dana 60 front. I don't know what this would be. Dana 61, I don't know. Dana 70. I gotta look online.
Yes.
Yeah.
So,
there you have it. The OBS is yet again upgraded. Next thing we're going to be doing is, what are we doing? We're changing
the gasket.
No, we're not changing gaskets. Mama said she's going to get us new armrest pieces for Christmas. That's been bothering me. Tears in my arm in the summer when I'm going tank top or short sleeve.
Yeah, we're gonna do some wood.
Yes, now we're doing wood after we unload the back of the truck. Okay, as always, thank you for watching. I appreciate all being here, and stay tuned. Check out my top subscriptions on my main page up over here. They are full of awesome people. Subscribe and hit the bell in the end for all the updates. One person I forgot to talk about in my last video is Rick Harris from Shelton, Washington. I hauled logs through his property when I first got into log trucking. Rick Harris used to work for Simpson Timber Company. He worked at Camp Govey and then got into log trucking, and he's got stories up the Yin Yang. So I'm going to get down and do an interview with him sometime. He's been retired for over 5 years now, I think. So there you have it. Thanks again for watching. I'm going to have plenty more videos coming up involving my old OBS here. And I mean, just look at it. I know some of you are into Mopars, some of you are into Chevys, but look at that front end. Who could deny such a beautiful front end like that? Look at this. Look at the offset. It's so glorious. Anyway. Okay, take care. Have a great day. Bye now. Is this awesome or what? Anyhow, I'm totally digging it. Okay, thanks. Bye now.